How I go about washing my bike. Dirty bike. Duct tape off this hole. Throw some duct tape right here, try to keep water out of the air filter. Duct tape that hole, obviously, right here. Before anything, lube the chain. And I like to tape off my grab handles. Try to keep the water out of there as much as possible. Stuff a rag in your silencer. If you don't have a butt plug, gotta make do. Lubed the chain, obviously. Taped all that off. And I'll take my simple green, hit all my plastics and my forks, swing arm, shock. I'll take the WD-40 and soak my motor. It's a simple green all over it. All over the plastics, forks, handlebars, triple clamps, wheels, tires, brakes, swing arm. A little WD all over the motor. Carburetor. Go all over the pipe too. Once you got everything soaked, take the water hose, spray it all off there. Make sure you get all the kinks out of the water hose so you got pressure. Keep an eye on the dog, get the dog. Hitting everything. Try not to spray directly into the bearings or the carburetor. I don't like to hit the carburetor straight up with the gas or with the water. I don't know. Probably be fine. Hit your radiator. Under your fenders. After the mud and everything's all knocked off, take some WD and a Scotch-Brite pad. Hit like your pipe, forks, wheels, swing arm, subframe with the Scotch-Brite pad, then hose it all off. When you're at that point, take your bike off the stand, lay it on its side, use the bike stand to stand it on, soak the bottom of it with degreaser, hit all the bottom, should be good to go. Now if you got it on its side, Hit all the bottom with some simple green, some WD-40. Hose it all off. Should be good to go. Pretty clean for a, I don't know, 24-year-old bike or something like that. Pretty old. And take it inside the garage, finish it up. Once you're back in the garage, like to spray WD-40 all over the motor and carburetor, swing arm, forks. Wipe it off with one of those. And blow everything off with the compressed air. So after I get it back in the garage, get it on the stand, slap some WD-40 all over the motor, swing arm, different stuff. And I'll throw a little WD-40 on a rag, soak the rag, wipe everything all down, plastics, wheels, spokes, gas tank, handlebars, cables, forks, plastics obviously. Then I'll blow everything off with air and you should be ready to rock and roll. After you go through and blow everything off, starting at the top and working your way to the bottom, blowing everything off, run through and wipe everything down again. Ready to rock and roll. Make sure you're ready to go for the next run. Make sure you lube the chain again. This is a pretty clean bike for what I got was a $100 box of parts. Pretty clean now.